Hi, my name is Nelson and I live in Armenia, Kindiu. I am 37 years old and have been working as a teacher for 8 years. I share my life with my wife and our two beloved dogs. Their names are Naika and Sammy, who bring joy and companionship to our home. Fishing has become not only my profession, but also a meaningful part of who I am. I enjoy many things that make life exciting and fulfilling. I love eating meat, especially hamburgers, and I am passionate about sports like running and playing soccer. Music is another important part of my life, with rock and electronic sounds being my favorites. I also enjoy riding my motorcycle, going to the cinema and watch comedy movies. Spending time with my family and friends is essential to me, and I deeply value those moments. On the other hand, I do not enjoy rainy days or cold weather as they make me feel uncomfortable. A typical day in my life starts early in the morning. I wake up, take a shower, have breakfast, and then head to work. My mornings are dedicated to teaching and engaging with my students. In the afternoon, I usually go to the gym to stay active and healthy. Later in the evening, I like to relax by watching some television before going to bed. This routine keeps me balanced between my responsibilities and my personal well being. Looking ahead, I have dreams and plans that inspire me every day. I want to travel around the world, exploring new cultures and places. At the same time, one of my greatest desires is to build a family of my own, combining my love for adventure with the warmth of home. These goals reflect both my passion for discovery and my commitment to creating a meaningful and fulfilling life. I want to say thank you to for the teacher and the Inter Corporation for all learning I have now. Goodbye and thank you again.